Hi everyone, so I just wanted to show you how to do some basic stat stuff with one variable statistics on a TI-83 or 84. So stat stuff all happens right here with this stat button. So if you'll click stat and hit enter on edit, you can edit these lists that you have in here. I've already got some numbers in there, so I'm gonna go up and highlight that list and then clear and enter to clear it out. Same thing over here, go up, clear, enter, you can clear out your lists. Now I'm just gonna put some random numbers in here. So enter your numbers and just hit enter. I'm literally just picking random numbers. -1, I don't know. So put in as many numbers as you want, and you can have multiple lists too if you want, but we really just need one list of data here. So now, go back to your stat button, and this time go over to calc, and you can calculate different things. Right now, I just have a list of, like one list of data, and so that's one variable statistics. Like it might be a list of heights or shoe sizes or money or literally anything, but just one variable statistics. If you'll hit number 1 or enter, and then enter again, it will pull up a bunch of data for you. First is X bar, which you know is the mean. This symbol right here means sum. So the sum of all of them is 18. There's the sum squared, which you don't really need. S, don't worry about, but right there is sigma, which is standard deviation, so you won't have to do all those long calculations. N is the number of data points, so I have 8 of them in there. Scroll on down and you get the entire 5-number summary. You get min, Q1, median, Q3, and max, all just right there for you. And that is it, but that's a lot of things. Pretty much the only thing it doesn't have is mean absolute deviation. It also doesn't have variance, but that's just sigma squared, so you can do that pretty easily. If you want, like say I had a list in here in list 2, I'm just gonna put some random numbers. Let's say I wanted to calculate those stats. I would go back to stat, calc, one variable stats. Oh, let's clear this, hold on. Stat, calc, one variable stats. And let's say I wanted to use list 2 rather than list 1. The way you can pull that up is right down here. See, there's list 1, list 2, list 3, and so on. So I could just do second and list 2, and then it would pull up the stats for list 2. I think maybe that's also here. Hold on, second, list. Yeah, they're also right here in list. So a few options for that.